All right, Brian from Garage Hall. For lightning, basically the power button started blinking green and will not shift into gear. Starts up, everything works, it just won't come out of park. So now we're gonna okay, so this is basically what it's doing. I'm getting it ready to tow, so I can't move the shifter. It's basically locked. Got my foot down on the brake and that won't move. So to get it to go into a neutral to shift it, so basically what you do is you want to gas and brake pedal, and then what that will do is that will enable you to shift. Now what you do is you push down on this twice, and then that will put you into a 30-minute neutral mode, and then you'll be able to do stuff with that. So basically I'm putting it back in a park. I'm gonna let the tow guy do what he does, but that's how you get it into kind of like neutral mode. So now in neutral, the wheels move and no drag. And the great thing about the neutral, you can also turn the steering wheel, so it makes life easier. Okay, so there it goes onto the truck and off to the Ford dealership, figure out what is going on. Anyway. Okay, and if you are looking for a properly strapped tow job, this is excellent. And I like how he's using the safety, which a lot of guys I hardly ever see use. And then thank you to them. All right, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.